no! The rainbow signal beacon is broken. Without it, the forest can't share helpful messages.
Don't worry, our STEM Safari team is here.
To fix the beacon, we must complete 30 mini science missions.
First clue, the beacon needs energy. Energy, and it makes things happen, like lighting a bulb.
Gravity pulls things down. Ready, set, drop!
A ramp helps gravity do work. Whoa, carpet slows it down. Hello, friction.
Magnets pull metal. That'll help our repairs.
But plastic? Nope, magnets don't like that. Closer to the light. Bigger shadow. Blue plus yellow makes green. This done. Sound is vibrations, tiny shakes. Leaf floats, pebbles sinks. Different materials behave differently.
If something is more packed, more dense, it usually sinks.
Water goes up, turns to drops, then falls like rain. Wind can carry energy too. Sunlight can become electricity. A circuit is a loop that electricity can travel. No loop, no light. It must be closed.
Coding is giving clear instructions.
If green, go. If red, stop. That's logic. Engineers measure so things fit perfectly. Great science is teamwork. And smart explorers stay safe. A compass points north, helping us aim correctly.
Patterns are clues. Short, long.
Okay, moment of truth.
Yes, the rainbow signal is back.
Quick quiz. What makes the bulb light? An open circuit or a closed circuit?